Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and I'm here with an exciting news for you all that Godrej Properties is here with its new launch project right here in Yelahanka North, Bangalore. And today we'll be revealing the teaser for the same, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom read guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project is spread across 10 acres of massive land parcel with total 9 towers in all. Each tower of 3 basement ground plus 15 floors, offering you exclusive 3 BHK in different variants, 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part, and Godrej Properties newly launched project is coming up just beside the Amazon office in Yelahanka near to Airport Road in North Bangalore, where you can connect to Yelahanka metro station in just 2 minutes from the project. RMZ Galleria Mall is 5 minutes away, Mall of Asia 8 minutes. Manyata Tech Park is just 10 minutes away, and even you can connect to Kempegowda International Airport in 20 minutes from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part, and the project is coming up with world-class amenities like of 30,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, infinity pool, fitness center, kids play area, multi-purpose court, lush garden and many more. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area, and this project offers you exclusive 3 BHK in different variants, 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies, where 3 BHK premium is 1600 square feet, 3 BHK Lux is 1900 square feet, 3.5 BHK is 2150 square feet and 4.5 BHK is 2500 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and currently the project is in pre-launch stage and they are launching the project very soon, so you need to stay tuned with housey.com itself. Now our EOI window is open now, so we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI by submitting the bankable EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of Godrej Properties newly launched project right here in Yelahanka North, Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.